What is up, YouTube? It's your girl, Hey Mary C, back here with another video. And today we're at work. You'll see Beth over here cooking. She cooking. Period. And then Emma dancing. Antonio making ice cream. Then we got Mari. Yeah. No, we finna mix all the toppings together. And we making it for a video. And maybe I'm blizzard.
So y'all tasting out a new flavor.
Okay, y'all, so she adding all the toppings.
Y'all gotta put butterscotch.
Cotton candy cold dip.
Y'all got the cherry dip.
Yep. Put everything goes in there.
Chocolate milk.
Well, they put this in there too.
And then, we really shouldn't put it on the bottom because it's gonna harden up.
We just mixing all the blizzards together to
I
see
really
what it
should
would
have put it
taste
on
like.
the bottom because it's gonna harden up.
Wait, put that
Put
in
a little bit, in my ear. A little bit more.
Wait, you don't mind being on YouTube, right? Y'all don't mind? Okay. She don't care.
Okay.
Okay, so we got all the hot toppings in there. You trying it? You need to try it with us. We're gonna put the ice cream on top. Because if we put all the toppings on top, it's gonna like fall. Then we got the cran base, the vanilla cake, then marshmallow. It kind of looked gross already.
Okay.
Shoot, my Uber's calling.
Okay.
Strawberry.
Wait. We're gonna pause it. Let's come back. Wait, I'll come back. Yeah, I forgot it.
Let's also do it. Then cheesecake pieces. Tina, you want to try with us?
She can't eat the strawberries.
Oh.
We'll make a Tina edited one next. It's easy. I should have put it in an alarm cup.
Alright, then the Reese's. I thought you already did this top row.
I just did these three. Oreo, it's a little too high. I gotta put it in another cup. I might have to put more hot toppings. Oh, I forgot about these.
Oh yeah, these toppings. I forgot too.
I forgot the mint and the vanilla and the toppings.
I'm not trying it, bro. Like,
You have to, dude.
Bird, come on. Here, I got some like little mint.
We gonna put a little bit more.
And then some vanilla. And then the coffee.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's it. Just put the.
We gotta put it in the hot tub.
alright, how about this?
We gotta add
Let's do this.
What?
Whoever, everybody eat it, right?
Right.
And if you don't, whoever keep it in, swallow it, win. Like everybody get like $1 or something.
We were down to do that, but the thing was, at the end of the day, we forgot that he had said that. So we didn't do it because we forgot.
Y'all have any allergies?
No.
You good? Okay, good.
I
Mari, you in?
don't like what? I don't like meat.
We mixing all the flavors together and trying it. You wanna try it?
It's not too, okay, but it's too big. It's too, I gotta put in an extra large cup. It's a lot of shit I don't like here.
Look at
That like some shit.
you really do. Y'all, she's transforming it into a bigger cup so it don't spill everywhere.
Oh, no.
You already know we're gonna have a lot to go around too.
Wait, did I put butterscotch in there?
Yeah, you just did.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Now she's putting in the ice cream.
This is bad. This is really bad.
Yeah, we not gonna eat it, sis, so we don't need that much ice cream. Now she's finna blend it.
This is gonna be really hard to blend. We're gonna try. We forgot bananas. Wait, the bananas is still over here.
Bro, it's kind of hard to record and cut a banana. Oh, God. Yes, when I say everything go in there, everything go in there. much bananas am I putting in there? She's putting in some more toppings, you guys. But I don't know if you guys can see me, but I'm finna put in half of this. Like, I don't even know. Why did you put it on the phone camera? I should have. Because I was recording you on the back, and I didn't want to like make like a separate clip. So just cutting in some more bananas. Bro, I'm kind of nervous. Like my stomach hurt. Okay. It's getting everywhere. Should we freeze it for a little while? Or is it runny? I think we should just like hurry up and try it before we get in trouble. I mean, it's not that runny. It's not what? Alright, we good. We're all gonna get a spoon and try it. It really do. It kind of look good though. No. Look at it. Okay, y'all, here's the blizzard. So Beth is finna try it. Before y'all see this, I hate to be like that one YouTuber, but before y'all see it, I just wanted to say that like by the time like we were done with the blizzard, our manager had came out to come work with us because it started to get busy after that. So we stored the blizzard in a freezer behind all these cakes so he wouldn't see it. So yeah, the blizzard's basically frozen, if that makes sense. But anyways, enjoy, keep watching.
Oh my Jesus.
So it's been in the freezer. Is it good?
This don't look like this is.
Bro, it looked like chocolate ice cream. Look at you.
Did she go home early?
My sister, yeah, she went home. She was not feeling it.
Oh, she left me.
I seen it. Can I get it?
For real?
Dang.
Wait.
Y'all really sisters?
What's up, guys? It's the next day after. So me and Emma, the girl that was making the blizzard with me, we did try it, but it was never recorded. So I gave my phone to Beth. You guys all remember Beth from like the last couple of clips, right? She didn't know that it wasn't recording, and then I didn't know it wasn't recording, so we didn't really get a reaction of us trying it. But if I had to be honest and tell y'all like what it tasted like, it was just kind of weird because it was like I tasted everything. Like that's how like weird and disgusting it was. Like I like for instance like I remember for real tasting the I tasted a Reese's piece, like a chopped nut, cherries. Like it was kind of disgusting. Like it really was. Negative 15 out of 10, would not recommend. Like don't try it. But I do dare somebody to go into like a Dairy Queen like drive-thru and just be like, oh, can you put 1 scoop of all the toppings in the cup for me, please? I dare somebody to do that. If you do it, record it. Please record that. Do that. That's funny. But thank you guys for watching the whole video, and of course I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to keep liking, commenting, and subscribing. I appreciate you guys and I love you guys. On the road to 400. Peace.